Hello everyone, this is Kyle with Indiana Kayak Fishing Journal. This spring I've been lucky enough to catch my first ever wipers. A wiper is a hybrid between a white bass and a striped bass. And the DNR stocks these in a lot of reservoirs actually to control shad populations because they eat shad like crazy and they can eat a bunch of them all the time. So they put them in there to do that, and then they also put them in there to give anglers opportunities to catch some hard fighting fish. When these fish get bigger, they put up a heck of a fight from what I hear. I've only been lucky enough to catch mostly smaller fish so far. My biggest one's about 16 inches at this point. And I've only been able to catch them trolling over open water. And hopefully this summer that'll kind of change, and hopefully I'll get the chance to go back up and try to catch them casting instead of just trolling for them. So I've got some video to show you guys from my first two wiper trips. I caught a few fish each time. Like I said, both of them all of them were caught trolling. So my biggest fish that I had hooked up, I hooked a nice fish and I had it all the way to the boat, and it took one last dive and it just popped the hook out and swam away. So like I said, that would have been my biggest one, but right now my biggest one is 16 inches. So I hope you guys enjoy this footage. I had a lot of fun catching these fish.